that.
Yeah, it does. So they'll have to do that survey later today, but certainly a hard night for some folks. But good news in the way that we did not see any fatalities, even though those injuries are tough. It's tough to lose property, but at least you can get that back. You can't get your lives back. And we're still tracking this same system as it continues to track off to the east, but it's lost its punch. It's nothing like what we saw yesterday evening into the overnight time frame, but some rain starting to move into parts of Georgia as we head through the morning hours. So again, the windshield wipers could be rolling if you're out and about. Depending on where you are in metro Atlanta, you'll have those on and off showers. Temperatures not as warm as yesterday where we hit 73 degrees, but today we'll be on the warmer side, but with the clouds in place, we'll stay in the upper 60s, on and off showers. So just kind of a yucky day for some parts of it. So again, just a little gloomy outside. Now, as you go down across parts of Pensacola, Mobile, you're seeing a break from the rain right now. Pensacola, you've been in the middle of it. It has been a rough morning. No severe weather, but man, the rain has been coming down hard. That's going to continue through at least lunchtime, and then that starts to roll out before we may see another push of some showers and thunderstorms rolling back in on Friday, because we actually have two systems coming in. This one that's going to swing through with that front, and then another system behind it that'll reinforce another line of showers and thunderstorms in the area. Tallahassee, another one to watch as we head through the rest of today. This is mainly for the evening. We'll see that rain knocking on your door about 9, 10 o'clock at night. This will continue to roll on through, but that's just round one. Then we rinse and repeat on Friday, and a similar story as we have rain for the early morning hours through the midday, and then look at that line coming in just before dinner time on Friday. So it's going to be a very wet start for the weekend. But, you know, Felicia, other parts of the country, it is not just the rain, but we're talking about wind. All right, rise and shine, everyone. Good morning. Grab that cup of coffee. You're watching America's Morning Headquarters. We're keeping you up to date with the weather. Also, of course, keeping you safe on this Thursday, the 9th of February, getting closer to the Super Bowl and Valentine's Day. However, we do have two red zones on the map today. One sits in the Midwest and includes Cleveland and Indianapolis. We're watching for the potential of some stronger storms later today, and also a second one in the deep south that has already put down at least one tornado in Louisiana. Several homes and businesses have been destroyed in the Tangipahoa Parish. That's where Charles Peak is this morning. And Charles, I want to bring you in because I know you have the drone up now. It's first light. What are you seeing as the sun is rolling through late last night into parts of the south? And of course, the National Weather Service out now. The sun has risen to get the damage surveys in those areas. Felicia?
Yeah, just absolutely.
All righty, time to travel. May see a couple headaches today in the skies. Of course, the Midwest dealing with that system that's rolling through right now, whether it be the snow, the incredible wind, or the rain. So, of course, you see some reds here expected there around Chicago as well as through Cleveland today. Watching for that chance for some severe weather as well. Atlanta, you may have a couple delays, but may fare okay. We just have the rain coming on through, but not expecting severe weather. But again, some spots could still see some delays because of impacts at other airports as this weather rolls through. Let's get a look at the radar right now. We've been tracking the rain that's pushing just to the north of Chicago. Parts of Iowa, of course, seeing some snow. Want to show you a lot. You asked for it. We probably have it somewhere this morning. So as we take a look at our travel forecast, rain and snow are going to shift off to the east. We have those winds that could gust up to around 60 miles an hour. So we have a pretty big swath of wind alerts that are out today. Slick roads, of course, use caution. You saw folks there. You may not have the complete roadways covered with snow, but again, some of those side roads, those overpasses could get a little dangerous at times. One place, Detroit, you could see mainly just rain as we go through your morning and lunchtime hour. Temperatures going to be in the lower 50s. It's kind of a yucky day, and even for the afternoon rush, still looking at rain for you as we go through this Thursday. But, you know, I'm feeling a little lazy over here because right now, Jim and Felicia are multitasking, and they are working out right now on America's Morning Headquarters.
Colleen, come on.